Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you guys today. I'm going to turn it over to Kathy. She's going to show you guys what sold for us over the last few. It's just the last day.
Day, because we did the others in our vlog yesterday.
Yeah, that's right. Okay.
So only like 5. So here's a normal day. 10 sales. That's what I would consider a normal day for us. First up, sold these Columbia snow boots. I got these from the bin, so I had $1.98 cost of goods that day. They sold on Kitizen for $40 with free shipping, and the Kitizen label was $8.95. So still about a $25 profit on those.
Cool.
That was great. I will most likely just do one of these eBay boxes for those. Okay. Cool. Oh, this was a good sale too.
I think it's in the closet, which Kathy actually spent some time this morning cleaning up.
I mean, it's still, we just have too much stuff that
Yeah.
There's really nowhere to put it at the moment. Oh yeah. This is a really nice mini Bowden velvet holiday smocked dress. I actually bought this off Kitizen. Someone put their sale as 70% off of their whole store.
Oh, wow.
So they had a bunch of cute mini Bowden peak. I think it was mostly mini Bowden dresses. So I bundled, I think, 4 or 5, and they came out to $8.67 each after the discount. So that's what I paid, $8.67, shipped to my home. And this sold back on Kitizen for $40 with free shipping. So the shipping I did through Pirate Ship. The buyer actually lives in Colorado Springs as well, so it was $5.74. So yeah,
oh cool.
Still like a $20 or so profit.
Very nice.
And yeah, I'm very happy about that. DJ.
What are you gonna ship that one in? Pirate Ship?
Yeah, just a poly mailer.
So a poly mailer.
All right, what do we got? What else do we got? I don't want any of those ones.
You don't have any Colorado Springs specific mailers?
No. Or any more Christmas, because I didn't really order any Christmas ones because I was trying to get through all these other ones.
Right.
I kind of like this one.
It's cute.
I mean, I like all of them. DJ. Well, this is a cool sale. I was thinking I didn't have that great of sales today, but these especially were pretty decent. This is just a really cool. Does it look like there's hair right? It feels like there's one just straight across my face somehow.
I don't notice anything.
Oh, there it is.
Is it stuck in your glasses?
Just hanging on, yeah, just tickling me.
I hate that.
Okay. Hey guys. New glasses hopefully soon, because that's one of my big things I need.
Yeah, we have it on the calendar, so hopefully we're able to make the appointment, right?
Yeah. It's a really cool vintage Nike fleece, and I bought it for $5.99, and it sold on Mercari for $45 plus shipping. So not
very nice.
Too bad, yeah.
I feel like we've had some, because there's another sale that I saw that was kind of something that I did, yeah. It was a decent one too.
All right, CX. Here. This is just a basic men's Quicksilver t-shirt I got from the bin. So $1.83 cost of goods into $15 plus shipping on Mercari.
Cool.
Yep. Got to do a manlier mailer. Let's do these Suns. Okay.
That's the manly mailer, huh?
The manliest one I got anyway. All right. Sold another Schlake. Still not sure if I'm saying that right. Some Spotted Horse. So this one sold on Poshmark for $8. So I make, $5.05? But I paid $1.21 at the bin, so 3 something profit.
Yeah.
But yeah.
So I feel like, have we sold any of those on eBay yet?
Yeah. A
Okay.
couple. Well,
I feel like it's mostly been Mercari, right?
Sold a couple, but
Bosch?
I think the 2 that we sold on eBay might have went to viewers. Not that.
As a bundle part, yeah.
Not like a bundle, just like that. I don't know that those would have sold on eBay if the viewer didn't buy them.
Right.
Maybe it would have sold on Mercari eventually or something. But yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've sold a couple on Posh too, but one was to a viewer. So they've kind of been selling everywhere. So it does seem even though they're not huge money, I mean $8, some of them have sold for $12, $14, but
yeah,
they sell. People are looking for them.
Yeah.
So that's what I've learned about these for sure. What should we just do? I got a bunch of these little boxes when I was.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I'll just use one of those. We're probably never gonna use them for anything else. I think this one will be too small, so I'll try it.
If not, we got a closet full of other ones, so we'll attempt.
Let's see. That'll work.
Yeah, so we'll add some bubble wrap, pat it up nicely.
All right.
And it would still go first class, right?
Well, it's Poshmark, but yeah.
Oh, that's right.
It could
Yeah.
if you, you can put stuff in a box for first class.
Yeah.
All right, this is the sale Chris was mentioning.
Yeah, we sold the Wiz War board game.
Yeah. So, I don't know much to say about it other than, I guess, Bolo.
These.
What kind of games would you consider this? Just
I would just consider this a tabletop.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not the Parker Brother, Milton Bradley, Monopoly. Sorry.
Right.
Like, these are more in the people that like Dungeons and Dragons and stuff like that.
Which those people spend lots of money on.
Yeah.
Games and accessories and stuff. So.
Yeah.
We bought this at what would you even call it? An antique market as it was closing down here in the Springs at Willowstone. If you're local, you know what that was.
Yeah.
So yeah, everything was like marked down. I mean, everyone has their own booths, but everyone's booths were marked down. I feel like this was 70% off, but Chris thought we paid $35. For some reason, we never typed it in our spreadsheet.
Right.
So yeah, I thought we paid about $30. He thought we paid about $35. So we'll say $35, but it sold for $98.88 plus shipping. So it was still about a $50 profit.
Yeah.
So yeah, very happy.
And it was in great condition. The only thing on that, it probably would have sold for more if we had the original instructions. And so,
Which they did a cool thing by
yeah,
they must have lost the original, but they printed them out
they
on
printed
really
up on
nice.
a really nice color.
Yeah, so it looks really nice.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Everything else is there
was
in great
neat.
shape.
So the box has slight damage. Yeah, Bolo tabletop games.
Luckily, they have barcodes,
Yeah.
so just do the eBay barcode scan.
Maybe this stuff.
I guess speaking, since that's kind of one of my sales, we kind of brought it up in the live a little bit last night. If anybody would be interested in Chris only videos.
And not only Chris only videos, just like
Right, no.
once a week or once
Yeah.
a month or something like that.
Yeah, to try to let Kathy have some time to do things that she's trying to get done, and I can basically take a video from start to finish.
So like my goals for next year, like I kind of want to grow our inventory to around 2,000 items because I think that will help me hit the profit goal that I want to hit per month. Which I'm finding it hard to do while doing everyday videos.
Daily what solds and yeah.
You know, obviously right now we're doing Binsmas and stuff, which we were already planning on. I'm not trying to grow the store that much this month. But
right.
Yeah, starting January, I kind of want to go hardcore because I didn't hit my goal last year, which I think is just because, well, not only YouTube, but like we're out of space here, which another thing we're trying to do is move all this to the storage unit and have more space and more dedicated time for working on actual listing of the items that we're showing you guys.
Yeah.
So, yeah, if you would watch a video of just Chris going out sourcing stuff, this is the kind of stuff he's looking for. Video games. He probably wouldn't be looking at clothes and shoes like I would. So
I mean, I don't know. Like,
different.
yeah, just I
I'm
probably.
sure if he was there, he'd peek around the shoes and be like, Kathy would grab those.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I know you don't like.
Well, I
shoes
also
that
have the
much.
hobby of collecting stuff like video games and stuff like that. So, it would be kind of more just geared towards that, the Chris kind of stuff. So, I don't know. We'll see. What do you guys think? What do you guys think?
We at least probably have to try it once and see how it goes.
Yeah.
All right, I did sell these Under Armour men's shoes. I bought for $12.99. They sold for $38.47 plus shipping. And yeah, those are gonna go out in a shoe box. I stocked up my boxes today.
Yeah.
I'm just getting all sorts of organized over here. All right. Okay, AI. This little Gap velvet dress. This was part of my 105 item challenge, which you guys have still not seen yet, but hopefully soon. But yeah, stuff is starting to sell from that, so that I'm happy about that. This I bought for $2.99, sold for $15 plus shipping. So yeah, And that someone's obviously buying for Christmas because they asked if we could ship quick so they could have it by next week.
Yeah, I think it was a Christmas party.
Yeah, and so somebody out, this person, luckily they live in the Springs, but also were like, I need it by this day. So I was like, oh yeah, you'll get it because.
Right. Oh, is that one? I thought, okay.
Well, that one on eBay asked to ship it fast, but this one on Kitizen, like people are buying.
So we got two of them. Okay, I got you. I didn't realize about the Kitizen one. Okay.
Yeah, this happens every holiday. Like people are like, can you, on December 20th, people are still going to be like, can you please ship this right now?
Right.
Harry Potter slippers. Am I looking at the wrong box? CH. It says they should be in here, but they're not. Oh, CD.
CD. Okay. So we just wrote the wrong one down.
I probably was distracted.
Easy mistake. There they are.
Okay. Crisis averted. I was about to have a little bit of a...
You left your chair way out, so I just backed into it. I almost died, guys.
So Zach, thank you so much. Bought these Harry Potter slippers I found at the bin. So $1.98 cost of goods that day. Sold for $10.95 plus shipping.
Cool. Well, Zach, thank you so much for the amazing support. We appreciate that.
I think those might be a little too long for a normal mailer. So let's just do a little bit of a bigger one. Code for shipping hip in the description. Gotta throw it out there every once in a while, right?
Yeah.
All right, lastly, sold some Skechers. These made it into our 40 or 50% off sale, so they sold for $17.97 plus ship. I did pay $8.99 for them originally, so only like a $5 or $6 profit. So yeah, not the greatest. I'd still pick them up again. I like selling those little Skechers. And they're under £1, so we'll do a mailer. Let's do a different one.
You're hot swapping the mailer.
Hold on.
Uh-oh.
I'm trying to make them all different. So.
Hey, works for me. So that was the last one you said?
Yeah, that was
all right.
No, nobody else bought anything.
No new ones. All right, let's take a minute, get these things packed up. All right. Easy as pie. What? You don't do anything. Every time I snap, he goes crazy. But yeah, no new sales have come in, correct?
No new sales. I was gonna just mention
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah. So I realized we're almost out of eBay tape, and then I realized we still have our coupon left for this quarter. So just a reminder to use yours if you do.
Use your coupon.
Basically, if you have an eBay store above, I believe the basic, you should at least have 25, 50.
Yep.
I don't think a whole lot of people have the Anchor store, but if you do, probably even a bigger coupon than that.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And that basically pays for half of, all of our tape that we use for eBay and some boxes and stuff.
So like, I don't know when we bought that, but that was the first time we'd ever bought eBay tape, and we're just almost out. So probably over a year. Obviously, we buy clear tape as well.
Yeah.
Which actually we only bought at the end of last year, and we still have 4 more of those too, I think.
Yeah, up in our tape hole.
I don't think we've bought tape this whole year, but I think that tape that we bought was maybe like $50, but it lasted the whole year. That's pretty good.
So yeah, get your eBay supplies in before December 31st.
24 rolls, $51. Is that what I should do? Or should I get boxes too and less rolls?
How much is our thing? It's only
50.
50.
So I'll just pay $1.
Yeah.
Something plus tax. Cool.
That's what we're doing, getting our tape.
Just tape, and then January 1 I'll get some boxes.
Yeah. So that's what's going out today. Don't forget to get your supplies, and you'll get more January 1st. So we'll get some boxes at that time. Do you have anything you want to say, Reese? No? Okay. He tried to jump on me. All right, so that's going to do it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all of the support. We do appreciate that. We got to get to I think we're recording another video, and our kids are home today. So busy day, so we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.